Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stopping everything. Close Utorrent and end background BitTorrent processes in Task Manager so files are free. Next, run Utorrent as administrator to check whether access denied was a simple permission issue. If it launches, note which folder path Utorrent uses for incomplete and finished downloads. Once done, make sure Windows UAC prompts appeared. If they did not, proceed to check folder ownership and antivirus locking, because those are the usual causes when elevated launch alone doesn't help. Now fix the folder-level cause. Go to the download and temporary folders Utorrent uses. Right-click, open Properties, Security, then Advanced and take Ownership. Change the owner to your username and check Replace Owner on subcontainers. After ownership, grant full control permissions to your user account and the administrators group, then apply changes so every file inherits them. Once permissions propagate, restart Utorrent as administrator and try to move or resume a torrent to confirm write access is restored. Finish by addressing other blockers. Add Utorrent and its download folders to your antivirus and Windows firewall exclusions so security software won't lock files. Also verify the disk and folder aren't read-only and run chkdsk to repair file system errors that can cause access denied. If problems continue, backup resume and settings files, then reinstall Utorrent to repair corrupted binaries. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing works, test with a new user account. If it works there, the issue is profile-specific and ownership/.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.